If you need to send money from India to the UK in 2026, Wise is honestly one of the most popular options right now because compared to many traditional banks, it's usually faster, simpler, and often cheaper for international transfers. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to send money from India to the UK with Wise step by step in 2026 using the current method. First, what is Wise? Wise is an international money transfer platform that lets people send money between countries using real exchange rates, and honestly, a lot of people use it for family transfers, freelance payments, studying abroad business payments, or moving money internationally. Now, the first step, create your Wise account. Go to the Wise website or app, then sign up using email, Google, Apple, or Facebook. Now choose personal account or business account, depending on your situation, and honestly, most beginners use a personal account. Now, after creating the account, Wise may ask you to verify your identity, usually using passport, Aadhaar, PAN card or other identification, and honestly, this is normal because Wise follows financial regulations. Now, second step, start a transfer. Once inside the dashboard, press Send Money. Now choose Indian Rupees, INR, as the sending currency and British Pounds, GBP, as the receiving currency. Now enter the amount you want to send, and honestly, Wise usually shows exchange rates, fees, and estimated arrival time immediately, which makes the process much clearer than many banks. Now, the next step, enter the recipient details. You'll usually need full name, UK bank account number, and sort code. Sometimes Wise may also ask the reason for transfer or additional verification details depending on the amount. Now, another important thing, double-check the recipient information carefully because international transfers can be difficult to reverse if details are incorrect. Now, after entering the details, choose how you want to pay. In India, available payment methods can include bank transfer, debit card, or online banking, depending on the current Wise options available in your region. And honestly, bank transfer is often one of the cheapest methods. Now, after payment, Wise processes the transfer, and many transfers arrive within hours or sometimes 1 to 2 business days, depending on verification bank, processing and transfer method. Now, another very important thing, exchange rates constantly change, so the exact amount received in GBP may vary slightly depending on timing. But honestly, Wise is known for using rates much closer to the real market rate, compared to many traditional banks. Now let's talk about transfer limits. Because India has financial regulations for international remittances, so depending on transfer size, account verification, and RBI rules, Wise may request additional information or documents, and honestly, larger transfers usually receive extra checks. Now, another useful feature, tracking the transfer. Wise normally lets you track processing, conversion, and delivery status directly inside the app, and honestly, this makes the experience much less stressful. Now let's be honest, for a second, international transfers used to feel complicated and expensive. But platforms like Wise made the process much easier in 2026, especially for freelancers, students, families, and remote workers. So, to wrap this up, to send money from India to the UK with Wise, you basically need to create your account, verify your identity, start a transfer in INR to GB, enter the UK bank details, pay using your preferred method, and track the transfer inside the app because honestly, Wise is still one of the easiest ways to move money internationally in 2026.